serbisyong pangkalusugan. Yan ang handog ng Regional Medical and Dental Unit 7 para sa mga tauhan ng Cebu Police Provincial Office sa Cebu City. Alamin ang iba pang impormasyon mula kay Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor.
Nagsagawa ang PNP Health Service Regional Medical and Dental Unit 7 ng serbisyong pangkalusugan sa Cebu Police Provincial Office, Camp General Arcadio M. Maxilum, Sudlon, Cebu City, noong ika-17 ng Hulyo taong kasulukuyan. Ang aktibidad ay pinangunahan ng RMDU 7 sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Marilyn P. Ignacio, Officer in Charge ng RMDU 7. Kabilang sa serbisyong handog ng RMDU 7 sa mga kapulisan ay medical consultation, dental consultation, basic laboratories, pneumococcal vaccination, mental red flag and stress management counseling, nutrition and diet counseling, and orientation on RHE.
Ako po si Police Captain Janet A. Belnas, ang representative po ng Neurosection RMDU 7. Dito po sa kung gaano po kaimportante ang serbisyo, ang pangkalusugan, kagaya na po ng physical, importante din po sa atin ang kalusugang pangkaisipan. Na may programa po tayo, yung Bantay Kaisipan po, yung Memorandum Circular na Bantay Kaisipan 2021-115, in which this one is implemented to realize the following sa ating mga personnel. To minimize, contain, and remove the adverse impact of the mental challenges of police work, strengthen coping skills for self-control as law enforcers, prevent police officers from committing irregularities in the performance of duty, manage the risk of developing mental illnesses, enhance mental health and wellness of every personnel through initiatives on the prevention, intervention, and restoration approaches, and the people services support, proper evaluation and management, and continuity of care after retirement of personnel.
Higit na nasa 270 na tauhan ng PNP mula sa iba't ibang istasyon sa lalawigan ng Cebu ang nakatanggap ng libreng serbisyo. Labis ang pasasalamat ng mga kapulisan sa serbisyong pangkalusugang natanggap mula sa RMDU 7.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. Pasalamaton kami on behalf sa Minglanilla Municipal Police Station under the leadership of Police Major Mark Don Alfred Lianza, sir. Pasalamaton kami kay Minglanilla Municipal Police Station kauban ang among deputy nga nakadawat mi aning libreng medical services gikan sa RMDU 7 o diri ilang gihatag diri sa Cebu Provincial Police Office Conference Room nga amo nga sinati karon. Salamaton kami aron ma-monitor sa physical o mental sa mga atong kapulisan. Daghang salamat.
Ang aktibidad na ito ay bahagi ng programa ng RMDU 7 na PPO visitation na may temang himsog nga panglawas halad sa Bisdak Cups.
Good morning. I am Police Major Wendell Parba Abiliana, the Chief of the Public Information Office, Cebu Police Provincial Office. We are here for the PNP Health Service Regional Medical and Dental Unit 7, serbisyong pangkalusugan with the team, himsog nga panglawas halad sa Bisdak Cups. Here at Cebu Police Provincial Office, these efforts not only support their physical health but also to their mental well-being, which is vital given to the challenges they face every day. By prioritizing the health of our personnel, we are not only enhancing their readiness and effectiveness, but also demonstrating a commitment to their overall well-being. This initiative contributes significantly to maintain morale and satisfaction among officers, which is essential to their continued dedication to public safety and service. Good morning once again.
Ang paghahandog ng serbisyong medikal sa ating mga kapulisan ay nagpapakita ng pagpapahalaga sa kanilang kalusugan at kapakanan para sa mas mahusay na paglilingkod sa komunidad at kaligtasan ng publiko tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa Cebu Police Provincial Office, ako ang Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.
Salamat, Patrolwoman Nicanor.